Should be taken while opening the overhead storage.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. صدق.
طائرة الخطوط الجوية الكويتية يرجى الانتباه للإرشادات التالية. استعدادا للإقلاع يرجى التأكد من أن ظهر المقعد في الوضع العمودي، وأن الطاولة وشاشة الفيديو ومسند القدمين في وضعهم الطبيعي، وأن ستائر النوافذ مرفوعة. يجب وضع جميع الأمتعة في الأماكن المخصصة طائرة مع ترك جميع حوائجكم، حيث أنها تعيق عملية الإخلاء. لسلامتكم يرجى التأكد من إغلاق جميع الأجهزة الإلكترونية بما في ذلك أجهزة الكويتية.
Welcome aboard Kuwait Airways. Please pay attention to the following instructions. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seat back is upright, that your table, video screen and footrest are in the stowing position, and that your window shades are raised. All baggage must be secured in the overhead stowage or under the seat in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight, so please refrain from smoking until you reach the port of your final destination. Smoking is prohibited in all areas of the aircraft, including the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Tampering with smoke detectors or non-adherence to these directions is a criminal offence under national law and international civil aviation regulation. Be sure to fasten your seatbelt by joining both ends like this. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. To open, lift the metal flap and pull. International regulations require that every child under 2 years and not allocated a seat must use a special seatbelt for takeoff and landing. And when the seatbelt sign is on, it must be attached to the adult seatbelt and fastened around the child each side. Equipped with escape slides. Should the plane have to ditch in water, these door escape slides